Nature is a wonderful thing. We receive everything from nature. The sunshine, the trees, the flowers. Nature gives us everything we need to survive. At Nature's Care, we believe a long and healthy life is something we can all enjoy. And what we want to do is to share the wonder of nature with our most valuable ones, our families. From our state-of-the-art manufacturing and production in the Garigal National Park on Sydney's northern beaches, we produce some of the world's finest natural products using the very best ingredients sourced straight from the arms of Mother Nature. From sourcing the raw ingredients to manufacturing, packaging, and to distribution, we are so dedicated to producing the highest quality products by taking care of the entire process. We make a large range of nutritional supplements and skincare products. At Nature's Care, we own and manufacture over 300 SKUs over more than 12 different brands. We are unique in this regard and are proud to have received CGMP manufacturing certification from the Australian Therapeutic Goods Administration, known as the TGA. This means all production processes are approved and Australian listed. The company was first started in 1990 in Australia under two founders. The founders had the core belief to source the best quality raw ingredients to make products worthy for their own families and, in turn, for all families in Australia. The goal was to provide families everywhere with healthy and natural health supplements and skincare products, all made and manufactured in Australia under the strictest and most stringent health and safety regulations worldwide. With this philosophy, Nature's Care was founded. Today, the company houses over 250 employees throughout its manufacturing, warehousing, packaging, office, and customer service, sales, and marketing divisions. Nature's Care sources the best natural ingredients to manufacture its products. The Australian government monitors all incoming raw materials. Extensive testing must be passed before any raw materials are used. To further emphasize on its Australian authenticity, Nature's Care also obtains raw ingredients locally from the Hunter Valley. Ingredients include grape seeds, lavender extract, propolis, and honey. Nature's Care's experienced research and development team is dedicated to producing unique formulations using the highest quality ingredients. We've invested significantly in our state-of-the-art laboratory to ensure our skilled team of nutritionists and skincare experts have the latest technology at their fingertips to deliver outstanding products that meet the highest international standards. This also allows us to deliver a new product to market in as little as 2 weeks. At Nature's Care, we manufacture and own over 300 different products. We are one of the first multifunctional factories in Australia, manufacturing soft gels, hard capsules, tablets, liquids, creams, and ointments. Quality is the core belief our founders have instilled into the company since day one. When manufacturing on this scale, it's important to have strict quality control. There are over 20 quality control checkpoints throughout the entire manufacturing process to make sure that every single capsule is perfectly produced before it reaches our customers' hands. Today, Nature's Care is one of the largest manufacturers of nutritional supplements in Australia. Every day, we produce more than 10 million vitamin capsules from our manufacturing plant and distribute them to over 3,000 stores in over 30 countries around the world. That's 2.8 billion capsules per year. Nature's Care products are distributed to over 3,000 major retailers in over 30 countries around the globe. Some key retailers include Kohl's, Woolworths, Priceline, Tmall, Watson's, and Chemist Warehouse. Nature's Care is now the umbrella company housing popular brands such as Healthy Care, Vitamore, Nature's Care Health Foods, Vita Australia, and skincare brands such as Paw Paw, Superlife, and Royal. These brands have become popular household names across the globe. Turning to the future, Nature's Care is firmly set on expansion. The company has recently acquired an additional 24,000 square meter office building and production facility next door to its already existing production and headquarters. This new building will enable Nature's Care to triple its manufacturing capability, furthering continued growth into the next decade and beyond. Nature's Care is looking into further expanding its production capacity in the next 3 years, with plans to develop its newly acquired undeveloped land next to its existing 2 sites. With plans of penetrating the Asia-Pacific region, we're planning to open our flagship store in Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Taiwan to further promote our concept of using natural ingredients for our families to have a better quality of life. Nature is a wonderful thing. Nature's Care, naturally caring for your family.